Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about how you can use Zangi. In order to do so, here we are in the Zangi app for iOS, and it's also available on Android, and the process is very similar. So you can see that with Zangi, we can enter in a number, a Zangi number. If you are unfamiliar with how a Zangi number works, then essentially what you have access to is you have a private Zangi number that you can share with your friends. You can add them to your contacts, and Zangi has its own number, so you don't need a phone number. You'll have your Zangi number that you can share, and you can add your contacts and you can basically contact them just like that. Uh, we can see here we have our calls option, and from here you just enter the Zangi number that you want to call and you can call them that way. Or you can also add a contact. You can invite all your friends. Up here at the top left hand corner, you can see your contacts option. If we press plus on that, then you can see here that we can add a name and a Zangi number. And once you have your contact in your list, then you can just call them directly, quite simply. Here at the bottom left hand corner, we have our settings. You're going to have your Zangi number, and they do have a subscription tier. However, Zangi is completely free, and they say that it will always be free. So that's one of the things that's important to note. You can invite your friends here. You can see that you can send personal messages and have chats. And let's just go ahead and take a look here where it says why Zangi, and we'll also take a look at how to use Zangi because it'll give us a little bit more information. So we'll click on why Zangi, and you can see here that one of the reasons you might want to use Zangi is because it's registration without a phone number and without personal contact, sharing your data stored only on your phone with military grade end-to-end encryption. So let's go ahead and take a look at the FAQs here really quick. And we'll focus here on why Zangi. So Zangi is a Silicon Valley-based private communication messenger which drives innovation in secure, high-quality private communication solutions for everyone. It is a free messenger, and also there is a business solutions option as well. What makes Zangi different? You're in charge of your conversations. Unlike others, Zangi Messenger does not give out your personal information or store it or gives out your messages to anyone because we don't have access to your messages in the first place. Zangi has refused to collect or have access to your data, thus eliminating the possibility of monitoring, intruder entry, or backdoors leading to your personal data. It is serverless. It is using a peer-to-peer technology, so your calls and messages are performed without a server or direct connection and are decentralized. There are three levels of robust encryption. Unlike others, Zangi encrypts the entire scheme with multi-level military-grade encryption. With Zangi, you consume six times less data. Zangi cares about your megabytes. You can make high quality calls on Zangi for up to 7 minutes using a single megabyte of bandwidth. To spend less data, you just need to turn on the low data usage mode from your app settings. It works with any internet speed. So even if you're on a poor, noisy network, you will still have quality calls. So you can also see here that Zangi is free and will stay free forever. Zangi, who is it for? Well, Zangi is for anyone who wants fast, secure, reliable instant messaging and calls to anywhere in the world, even with slow, noisy, overcrowded internet. It's for the traveler on a budget. It's for journalists, activists, lawyers, so that you can make confidential calls and transfer files confidentially as well. It's for the 21st century human being, for private conscious user and anyone who needs a communication platform for work, family, friends, networks, social life. Zangi provides high quality calls with crystal clear quality with uninterrupted, realistic video. You can have safe group messages with colleagues or friends without having to worry about your security or data appearing on the internet. So that gives you an idea of what you can expect with Zangi. And all you have to do is head over to the iOS store, head over to the Google Play Store, and you can download Zangi today. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe for more helpful tips.